Hello, how are you? I'm Kathleen from China Media. All the best wishes for you and your family. We really hope you and your family are safe now. Okay, today I want to introduce one way to make homemade masks because it's very difficult for you and also your friend to go out to buy a mask. So I want to introduce a very easy way for you to make a mask at home. Now you need to prepare one cap. I believe every home has this. And also very easy, one tape and also scissors. Another thing is like material you can take from this. This is for school, it's very easy. And also for your office, like some clear book, we can use the inner sheet and even the sheet protect. Okay, also you can find somewhere like book cover, super clear one, or also translucent one, colorful. Yeah, of course. Okay, also you can find some zip bag you can use, clear book, everything you can find in your office or find for some school products. Okay, now it's very easy. Let me introduce how to make this. Now let's cut this strip. Okay, after finish cut this, we can to tear the tape from here. Cut also. Okay, so tear this. Now you can use your cap. We can do like this. To make it tight. Okay, after finish, you can put on your head like this way to protect yourself like this. Good. Of course, if you have masks like this, you can put your mask to make here tight and put this one to make a double protection. However, we really hope this bad situation will finish very soon. We all pray together for all over the world, full of love and full of peace, because we are a big family. We all love each other. We have to love each other. Let's fight together.